Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to show you how to cook this delicious shrimp dish with Marmite sauce. If you haven't tried Marmite before, I recommend you give it a try. It's one of my favorite condiments. The ingredient list for this recipe is short and sweet. We'll use 1 pound of large shrimp. We'll remove the shell at its top end and keep the part at the tail. We'll also remove the head, but keep a few for garnishing the dish. We want to keep the body intact, so remove the intestine by pulling it out between the body segments. Insert a toothpick between 2 segments and gently remove it. Typically, shrimp curl inwards like this after cooking. To minimize the curl, turn it on its belly and make 2 shallow cuts. One at the front and one close to the tail. By the way, this dark line is not an intestinal tract. It's the shrimp's blood vessel. We don't need to remove it. As for the head, trim off the sharp peak at the top. Then trim off the legs and the antenna. On the bottom part is the stomach, which we need to remove. We can do this with a straw or use the tip of a knife. Now the head is clean and edible. Rinse the shrimp and marinate them with 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Set it aside for 15 minutes. This Marmite extract is our main ingredient for the sauce. It has a really nice umami flavor and is quite salty, so we don't need to add more salt to the sauce. In addition to the Marmite extract, we'll use a sweet dark soy sauce, cooking wine, sugar, cornstarch for thickening, sesame oil, and water. For aromatics, we have a teaspoon each of minced ginger and minced garlic. Combine all the sauce ingredients in a cup. We are now ready to cook. Heat about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Cook the bottom sides of the shrimp for 1 minute. Then turn them over and cook for another minute, or until they turn pink and opaque. After they are cooked, remove them from the pan and set aside. We'll cook the Marmite sauce next. Start with medium heat. We'll use the leftover oil from the shrimp frying. Drop in the minced ginger and garlic. Cook until it becomes fragrant. Then add the pre-mixed sauce. Cook the sauce until it thickens. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes. It's ready when you are able to draw a line in the pan, like this. Now turn off the flame. drop in the cooked shrimp and mix them with the sauce. Dish out the heads last, as we'll be using them for garnishing. Finish it off with some green onion and chilies. I have to say, this is truly scrumptious. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Bye for now.